Okay, I wanted to give you our weekly update. These have grown some more on this side. I didn't think this plant was doing anything, but then I had a branch hanging out and look at that. I had to move it out of the way. The blueberries are still in the growing stage. The rain has literally brought up grass everywhere. And these are some out here. I'm not sure what they are, but the bugs haven't got them. And there's some more right there. There's a whole line of these up here that the bugs have not come out and eaten them yet. And look overall, all of that I weeded in the middle of the walkways are completely green now. Some of the flowers are starting to bloom. Look at how much those have grown over the last week. And I had done a big harvest at the beginning of the week, and look at that already. The strawberries are looking good, as long as an animal doesn't get to them before we do. And I was digging in that planter this morning to plant some sweet peppers, and there was a wasp nest in there, which I didn't know. So I'll show you my lip here in a little bit. Look at how much that have grown. I got to get to the tomatoes, and I'm going to start trimming the bottom off of them. And if you're new to this, what you don't want, let me see if I can find one, is this right. I don't see any. Oh, here's one. Perfect example. See how this is a branch? See how this is a branch? And this is in the middle of these. You want to get rid of these. These are called sucklers, and they will take the energy out of your plant. The other thing that I do is I go low and I rip off a bunch that are in the bottom so that the energy is going to the top of the plant. So anything I find down here, I go ahead and take off, so that the top of the plant can have more energy. I don't know if I'm showing you. Let me show you on here. So that the energy, here's a good example. So all of these, there's a suckler right here. Can you see? Whoops, can you see that? I'm just taking both of those off, because those might flower first. So the bottom of your tomato plants, you want them to look clean like that, because now the energy will go towards the top and give you more fruit. So I've got to do some more of that. See the beautiful purple flowers? This year I'm growing purple bean. And so those are really pretty. And look how much they're climbing up. I'm really thankful for my neighbor letting me borrow her tomato cages. And over there, as you can see, is my corn, which is really growing. A lot of the squash and the pumpkin is too. This bed, I have some tomatoes in the middle there. And I have two that are out in the potato one. There's a flower, and this one has really grown up. And look at this. So that is my snap pea, which, as you can see, this one over here I'm going to completely get rid of because it's dying in there, and it'll take the energy from the rest of the plant. So this portion has really grown. And we got a beautiful flower, which usually means, can you see the bottom of it? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's going to be a whole bunch in there. My artichokes and beets, my sunflowers, and those are more of the beans, the green beans. My spinach is gone for the year up here. I did plant some underneath the shade curtain, and hopefully I'll get some in there. This lettuce I haven't harvested yet, which I will be doing. And those are either sweet peppers, or I know I planted some sunflowers in other places. And look at these. I got rid of all of the beans that were on there at the beginning of the week, and look how many are back. Oh, that's just stuff on them. It isn't. It's just part of the plant. So I'm so excited. This end of my front flower area, I'd never put the black netting down. So I will be doing that and then putting black mulch all throughout this, because I have come out here and weeded every day, and look at that. And here is where the wasp got me, and he got me in the hand. I didn't realize it was a wasp until it was too late, but I thought, man, this thing's attacking me. That really does burn, and I put some sting cream on it. So this is my garden this morning. I'm glad that you're here, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.